Okay, so for the extra credit for science, I decided to do if warm milk and cold milk will affect the popping of the Rice Krispies. So here I have 3 equally sized Rice Krispies. Some controls are same amount of Rice Krispies, the size of them, the amount of water the bowl it's in, the temperature of, or the amount of milk, the temperature of the milk, and stuff like this. This is the warm milk. I put it in the microwave for 30 seconds. And this is the cold milk that I got out of the refrigerator. Okay, so I'm going to put them in at the same time. You'll have to listen for the pops. I'm going to put them under. So if you can't see what's happening or hear, the warm milk Rice Krispies seem to be popping a lot more and faster than the cold milk. Okay, so it seems they're about done popping. I'm gonna take them out. Yeah, the warm milk one is a lot soggier than the cold milk. The cold milk is still hard. The warm milk is very soggy and flimsy. So I'm going to repeat this a couple more times to make sure that my findings are correct. Okay, so I'm towards the end of my last experiment, and I did get the same results. So that tells me that the warmer the water is, the faster and more frequently the Rice Krispies snap, crackle, pop. The cold milk, I don't know why I keep saying water. Okay, milk. The cold milk is definitely slower. The Rice Krispies are snap, crackling, and popping a lot slower than the warm milk. So that tells me that my findings are correct. In this experiment, the independent variable was the temperature of the milk. We had warm milk and we had cold milk. The dependent variables were the amount of Rice Krispies, the actual bowl we had to make sure was the same. We also have the same size of Rice Krispies and the Rice Krispies from the same box so that we knew they were made about the same time. In one of the experiments where I submerged the Rice Krispies in the milk, I calculated the time of when I heard the first pop from the warm milk and when I heard the first pop from the cold milk. The warm milk was 2.83 seconds and the cold milk was 4.91. So that information tells us that, once again, the warm milk Rice Krispies pop quicker than the cool ones.